Why is cultural relativism essential for cross-cultural research? Imagine trying to understand a story from a friend who speaks a different language. You wouldn't judge the story by your own standards, right? You'd try to see it through their eyes. That's what cultural relativism is all about. It's a way for anthropologists to truly grasp how different societies see the world. When researchers study cultures, they need to avoid thinking one way is better or worse. Instead, they look at each culture on its own terms. This prevents the mistake of thinking their own culture is the only right way. It's called ethnocentrism, and it can distort research. Cultural relativism asks researchers to set aside their personal beliefs and understand how people in other cultures interpret their lives. This is especially important because cultural practices are linked to history, environment, and social rules. Without this perspective, researchers might wrongly judge or dismiss what they see. For example, a ritual that seems strange to outsiders might have deep social meaning for the community. Recognizing this helps anthropologists describe practices accurately. It also highlights that no one culture holds the ultimate truth about morality or life. Instead, each society has its own ways of making sense of the world. When anthropologists apply cultural relativism, they focus on understanding behaviors within their specific context. This approach makes their findings more reliable and respectful. It encourages empathy and trust, which are vital for good research relationships. For instance, in studying kinship systems or religious ceremonies, cultural relativism helps researchers see the value and purpose behind these practices. It's not about approving or disapproving but understanding how they fit into the society's way of life. In the end, cultural relativism is essential because it allows for a fair, accurate picture of human diversity. It helps us see that different cultures have their own internal logic, and respecting that makes cross-cultural research meaningful and honest.